Silver has broken past long-term resistance levels. Will it continue to $90 an ounce by Friday? We're once again going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, and happy coffee. Silver and gold are on the rise once again. Will we hit 90 by Friday? Have we broken out of the resistance of 80 to 85? We're going to talk about that this morning's gold and silver update. Before we get started, everyone, as I do every morning, happy coffee, everybody. Happy allergies. I've been in full force this morning. And if you're new and you just clicked on this video, don't go away. Watch the video. Become part of our family. Become part of a channel that's different than all the rest, everybody. I'm just a guy in my living room, videotaping, talking to you into your living room, everybody. We're one happy family on this channel. Lots of fantastic viewers and subscribers that talk about gold and silver. And we'll be announcing the winner of the gold back today and the winner of the copper 5-ounce round and 1-ounce round tomorrow, everybody. So stick with me in this video. Make sure you watch them all the way through. That helps the algorithm determine whether or not this video is worth a dang. So thank you, everybody, all over the United States, all over the world, for watching our YouTube channel, supporting our YouTube channel. My members that joined, thank you so very, very much. From the bottom of my heart to you, everyone. You help this channel with several things, little small expenses and things that I incur when I have to travel to go do things and talk to dealers and stuff. So I really appreciate you for doing that. You do not have to do it, but I really appreciate you doing it. Gold and silver. Let's talk about gold and silver, everybody. Let's talk about the resistance levels. Let's talk about what's the next resistance levels, and where we think it's going to be by Friday. I'm still holding on to 90, although silver's down just a little bit this morning. And what did it do yesterday? So let's get started on gold this morning, everybody. Gold is at $4,693, still well over $4,500, everybody. Happy coffee to that. I mean, any gold that's over $4,500, think about it, guys. Happy coffee. Congratulations, gold. Anything over $4,500 on gold is great. Our silver is down just a smidgen this morning. About 50 cents an ounce. It actually was doing very, very good yesterday. We're at 86.86, guys. We're still up, almost $3 an ounce from Monday. So more than that, actually. Monday night, we were at about 80 and some change. So we're up quite a bit for the week. Silver is really performing well this week. $86.86 currently right now. And let's move on down here to platinum. So silver's killing it, guys. It's still killing it. Platinum is down this morning quite a bit. Gold's up. Silver's down just a little. Platinum is down quite a bit. $2,114, everybody, at down $22, and palladium's down $24 to $1,457. Let's look at rhodium. Well, everybody, not surprising to me and probably to you, rhodium is still the same. So it either goes way high or it stays, the same. So 9,500 this morning on rhodium, everybody. So it's, it's the same. I mean, Good Lord. Hong Kong, guys, on gold, $4,693 and 87.45 on silver. They're still pretty strong. Mumbai's strong, $4,702 on gold and 86.92 on silver. Everybody, um, things are going good for silver. Everybody, silver has broken out of the bullpen. It is on a bull run for sure, everybody. If you don't believe me, go look it up. It is definitely on the bull run. So I'm not like any other channel. I don't show you a bunch of little graphs and all these fancy things and fancy smanchy interviews and all that stuff. I'm just being me on YouTube and bringing you the gold and silver news and what I have researched, saving you that time. So, I've looked at silver. I'm watching silver. I looked at last year's silver, and it looks like it is definitely on a bull run, everybody, and it's going up. Look at the gold to silver ratio this morning. We're at about 54 to 1. 53.99 to be exact, but silver is definitely on a bullish run and will continue. And we might have some dips, some ups and downs, but hey, it's always a good time to buy silver and gold. There's nothing negative about buying silver and gold, guys, whether you've bought too high or bought low or wherever you're at. There's just really nothing negative about it. You think about it, it either goes up in value or it goes down and you can go out and buy more. So we keep the green lights on. There's always a positive go. Let's go on silver and gold, guys. So if you see me have to pause this like this, it's because I have to stop and possibly blow my nose because allergies or I sneeze. Allergies are killing me this morning. Allergies in full force. I do have a handle, I think, on my ADHD this morning. So, but we're just rolling, guys. Let's talk about. Let's roll over here and talk about our base metals, guys. Things are really happening in this world. In the copper world, copper prices have exploded. Are we going to push copper to $6.50 to $7 a pound really soon? I do believe possibly this year, if not quicker than that, everybody, just as I predict silver, at least 100 by July, unless something dramatic happens. If something dramatic happens, it may hold it back a bit and keep us from hitting that 100 by July. But all the experts, everyone, they're all saying 100 plus, 150, 200, 300, 500. You even have some people on there, $5,000 silver. Oh my gosh. Really? Really, guys? I mean, are you that desperate to get views? Hey, I've grown this channel, naturally. Let's say naturally. Didn't buy viewers, didn't buy subscribers. A lot of people do that. There's a lot of channels out there that actually buy subscribers, and there's programs that will do that. And at one time when I first started, I looked into that, and then I started reading about it, how it could hurt your channel. And so I don't do that. So mine's all you, everybody. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team. You're making this channel successful. And if you're new, welcome to the channel, guys. So base metals, copper, 635 this morning, everyone. 635. Phenomenal. It is really rising, guys, really rocketing. And that will cause the bullion prices, the industrial prices to all go up. And yes, everybody, they are separating, not legally, but they are separating the bullion companies. Everybody's separating the bullion minted copper from the industrial sector, from the pound. They are separating copper into and classifying it by the ounces at these bullion companies. So Um, really, right now, I am not going to go off of copper by the pound. And I really never have. I'm going to stick to ounces in copper, everyone, because that's the way it's going. That is the way it's going. Copper will be the new silver at some point. Will it take a long time? It possibly could, and it may not, guys. If silver goes to $500 an ounce, $300, $200 an ounce, guys, copper is going to really rocket. Minted copper, everybody. Well, all of the copper. So, and it already has. I mean, most copper rounds are $7, $8, $9 an ounce. So, copper, fantastic, doing great. 856 on nickel this morning, down just a little bit. Happy, sippy, throat noise, slurpy cup coffee. As Lee in Canada would say, happy blueberry bear, whatever coffee, something. So, $1.69 on aluminum, guys. Aluminum's doing pretty good. It holds pretty strong, about the same. So, I'm not an aluminum guy, although it's shiny, as the crab in Moana would say, shiny. So let's look at goldbacks, $9.39 this morning, guys, exchange rate. Goldbacks are really doing killer. I have a good way to show you goldbacks on Sunday. I'm going to show you some gold that I've got. I'm going to show you some goldbacks and make it a little explanation. So we'll talk about that on Sunday. So goldbacks, 24 karat gold that you can hold, that you can spend, everybody, and own gold. Okay, it is 24 karat gold, fractional gold, but it's still gold, everybody. Not everybody can afford to pay $4,800 an ounce for gold, including me, or I won't actually. I hold more silver by a long shot, probably 99 to 1. So 939 on goldbacks. Doing great, holding strong, everybody. What's the market in Shanghai right now? The market in Shanghai, everybody, we're at 97.99 per ounce on silver. Still holding pretty strong, down a little bit. India's up to 87.21. So they're doing pretty good. Silver, guys, is just doing fantastic for the year. I mean, I don't know what else you can ask for. I mean, I can't convince my children. They just know it all. They know everything, and I can't convince them that they need to learn to invest in precious metals, physically hold precious metals. At least invest in some silver stock or something. But physically hold your metals, everybody. If you can only buy 1 ounce, hey, that's great. If you can only buy a quarter or half, I've been in the situations where that's all I could buy. And, that's just the way it is sometimes. Let's button up this shirt a little bit. Oh, well. Anyway, it's hard to convince youngsters everything because at their age, they know of it, everything. And, I was the same at once too. And I should have got in, once at how do I say it? I can't even talk this morning. At one time, I I should have got into stacking silver. So you couldn't convince me because I was the smartest person on the planet. And, my dad always told me that. So when you're young, you think you're smart. So 98.53 on the dollar this morning, everybody. It's up just a smidgen, not a whole lot, but it's for silver to hold where it's at right now with a strong or an improving dollar, improving oil prices, dropping oil prices. Here we go. We're all back up to, let me refresh this. Looks like $101 a barrel. Yeah, so we're at 101 a barrel, guys, and silver is still holding 87 right now, guys, 87.29. So We're back up to $87.29. That's why I say silver is very, very bullish. Silver is broken out of the resistance, everybody, of $80 to $84, $85 an ounce that they were talking about. The resistance is being between 80 and 85. Let's just say that. It is broken out of that. It's bulled its way out. It's coming out of the bullpen, everybody. And the new resistance is right around 90 plus. So if we hit that 90 resistance on Friday, who knows where silver's going? Are we going to 100 by the next week? Are we going into a sell-off, or we sell off some paper and drop the prices on silver? It could happen. I believe that they want to drive it back up once again, and so that they can make some good profits, everybody. Now, if they're buying silver at 95 and they're betting on it to drop to 85 and it goes up to 105, well, guess what? They lose. So when they're borrowing stocks and they're betting on it to drop and it goes up, then they lose their money. So we're going to find out what happens Friday. Everybody, let's talk about it. Let's make some comments. We've got some great commenters out there. We're going to announce the gold back winner. So make sure you're watching, everybody. We got a winner on the gold back from Wednesday before last, when we hit well over 44 subscribers in that one video. We actually hit closer to 60. And our winner for the go back, the program picks Lori Westerman. Lori Westerman, you have won a go back. So get with me, and I'll if I see you comment this morning, or if I can see you comment, I'll give you my email. It's easier that way. But you can go to my main page. It's got my face on it. Click on that, and you can click on more, and it'll drop down a little box for the email. And email me and let me know, and make sure, because it goes into junk, make sure that you put your name and everything in the subject line so I can see it, and so we can get you a go back. So congratulations, Lori Westerman. You have won the go back from a little over a week ago. This is Thursday, so Wednesday before last. And tomorrow I will announce the 5-ounce copper round and the 1-ounce copper round, who won that. And this is fun. I enjoy this. I enjoy giving back to the community, everybody, whether it be something cheap or whether it be something expensive. So congratulations. So everybody, our resistance has been busted 80 to 85. We're holding right now 87.35 on silver. Is it going to pass the new resistance of 90 plus and break out, really break out of the bullpen? It is already out of the bullpen, but is this one exploding out of the bullpen, everybody? So we're going to talk about that tomorrow. See what happens tomorrow on the end of the week. Usually Mondays and Fridays either go way up or go way down. So we're going to find that out. Happy coffee to silver and gold. So right now, $46.99 on gold, everybody. We're pushing, once again, 4,700 this morning. What's going to happen today? I think we're going to continue to rise. Even with oil prices up, even with the dollar a little bit stronger, I think things are happening. Silver's just too strong, too much of a deficit, too strong for AI, too strong for cars. It's just, there's too many uses for silver for it not to go up, everyone. It's so undervalued. It's crazy. So 87.19 right now, silver, 21.19 on platinum, and 14.68 on palladium, everybody. Let's check out some world coins, everyone. Well, as you can see, I still haven't put the ones up I've shown for the last few days. So we just kind of pull these out, everybody, to show you. And they're really cool. I got a Hong Kong one today. How about a $2 Hong Kong, 1975, everybody. 1975. Boy, that was a good year. Racing motocross back then, just a young kid. Motorcycle racing was a big thing in the 70s. And of course, it has become big now. Anyway, 1975 Hong Kong. Is that not a cool coin, everybody? That is a beautiful, beautiful coin. Wow. I really like this. I like this one. What do y'all think? I think this is a really cool coin. 1975. So let's put that one back down here over, guys, everyone. Argentina, got another little Argentina, shown these before. Here's another one, 50 pesos, 1979. A lot of these coins, guys, are in very, very, very good condition. And, probably worth more, some of them, than their face value. Are they worth a ton of money? Maybe not. Maybe some of them might be. I'm not really going to worry about it. I'm going to pass these down to the grandkids for the future, and they may become very valuable at some point. They might not. Doesn't matter. Here's another Philippines. We love the Philippines, everybody. 1974 Filipino. I call them Filipino, but Philippine coin. This one is a little bit rougher, everybody, but nevertheless, still a really, really cool coin. These are pretty awesome. I just like the Philippines. I'd like to go over there someday. I've heard a lot of good. I've heard some bad too. But here's Dominican Republic, 1976. We've seen these before. I got quite a few of these actually. I just pull things out of the bag, everybody. And really don't pick and choose. I just grab 4 or 5, 3, 4, 5 of these and show them to you. So, pretty cool. I think we showed one of these yesterday, maybe, or day before yesterday. Anyway, well, there's another one. So, there's our coins for the day, everybody. And, hey, be sure to share your knowledge with others on this channel, everyone. And, let's help the new stackers learn about silver, learn about gold, learn about numismatic coins, numismatic foreign coins. Numismatic coins are huge right now. They are ginormous in the market, and more people are collecting the foreign coins, numismatic coins. Since silver has gone so high, a lot of people are kind of switching around. I go back and forth between coins, buying numismatic coins and silver. I might buy a little silver here, buy a numismatic coin here, a silver dollar there. And guys, this is a beautiful hobby. Beautiful. When I mean beautiful, just like copper. So, everybody, have a fantastic Thursday. We're almost to Friday. And let's pray that our viewers have a fantastic day, and that we concentrate on the 80% that we have and not the 20% that we seek. So everybody have a fantastic Thursday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States of America. I am out.